KTN.
Of course, that story will also form basis of our conversation this particular evening. To Elgeyo Marakwe County now, where a Kenyan, Hilary Kiplagat, has entered the Guinness Book of Records for planting more trees than anyone in the world in one day. Kiplagat achieved the feat at exactly 11 a.m. on Wednesday by planting 23,326 seedlings in, get this, 24 hours. His mission was achieved in the presence of officials from the Guinness World Records, Kenya Forest Service, and hundreds of conservation enthusiasts at the edge of a vast stretch of degraded land in Elgeyo Marakwe. Elvis Kosgei with that record-breaking impressive story.
From the first seedling, Hilary set a relentless pace. Backed by a team that dug holes and supplied seedlings, he moved with precision, averaging over 16 trees every minute, pushing through the afternoon heat and the cold night drizzle. By nightfall, he had already crossed 15,000 seedlings. The real test came overnight, with floodlights cutting through the darkness. Fatigue set in, and his hands blistered. His wife and family stayed up with him, wiping his brow and passing him seedlings. As morning approached, energy surged back into the grounds. Local school children, elders and environmentalists joined in, chanting his name.
It is now 10:34 a.m. and it's remaining 24 minutes for Hilary Kiplagat Biwot, who is taking a mission most will call impossible, to break the Guinness World Book record. The Green Earth Ambassador Foundation co-founder is attempting to plant 24,000 seedlings in 24 hours. Will Hilary Kiplagat Biwot achieve his dreams?
With every seedling, the tally board climbed until the final whistle blew at 11 a.m. today, April 23rd. The official count, 23,326 trees planted in 24 hours, a new world record.
Na kwa hivyo, message yangu ni kwamba, nilikuwa najaribu tu kuambia watu ya kwamba 15 billion tree growing kwa nchi yetu, ambaye president wetu Dr. William Samoei Ruto anajaribu kuonyesha watu wafanye, inawezekana. So, kwa hivyo, nilifika asubuhi, mambo ilikuwa ngumu kidogo, nilikuwa nimechoka. Na pia kukula ndio sikuwa na hizi kukula sana, but nashukuru Mungu nimeweza kufikisha mahali nimefika, na nimewin hiyo rekodi, na tunangoja tu World Guinness ili waweze kuratify.
I'm very happy that this one has come through. I want to tell my husband, congratulations. You have made it. You are the strongest one. There is no one like you. Thank you.
Kwa nafasi hii nimwambie hongera, sababu amejaribu sana. Winston Churchill alisema, success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the determination to continue that matters.
For him, and we want to inspire the young generation to tell them what Hilary has done. It can be done by any other young person. Conservation, many people look at it as a tree planting process, but conservation is an economic issue.
The weight of the achievement hung in the air. Cameras captured this young lad planting the ceremonial 23,326 seedling with his father's hand guiding him. Hilary's journey started years ago after witnessing rivers dry up in his village.
Pongezi kijana yangu kwa sababu umefanya kazi yenye hata hao wengine hawakufanya.
Hilary was given a new probox by the Kaptagat Integrated Conservation Team. His 23,326 seedlings are already taking root, but the deeper legacy is the belief he planted, that ordinary Kenyans can do ordinary things for our planet. Elvis Kosgei, KTN, Elgeyo Marakwe County.
I must also say tonight I am a proud lad from Elgeyo.